M18 versus Flex, but we have the first gen M18 hacksaw, as well as the M18 fuel and the 24 volt Flex. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna run this guy. We're gonna go 5.0 battery, 3.0 high output, Flex 2.5, Flex 5.0. We're gonna throw in this Dewalt. Then we're gonna throw the old M18 fuel in there. It's about a bajillion years old. We're gonna run it with the 3.0 and the 5.0. That should say 3.0. There we go. Each of these is gonna have their own reciprocating saw blade. We have the Flex, the oldest reciprocating saw, single-handed, that Milwaukee makes, and the fuel. This thing literally shoots sparks when you use it. This thing's just a wreck. Check this out. It's gonna be really interesting to see what this thing does with an HO battery on it. I've never actually used an HO battery on this thing. It's probably gonna explode, who knows. Up first is a fully charged 5.0. By the way, we're also throwing in this XR Dewalt with the power stack. All right, as you can see, M18 5.0. On there. Up next is the Flex with the 2.5. Now with the 5. We got the Dewalt with the power stack. This is the DCS 382. Now we have the oldest reciprocating saw that I have, complete with questionable structural integrity, in a 2.5 in a 3.0 high output, complete with sparks. Look at that motor. That battery is fully charged. The tool is literally just giving up. You can see the motor. We still got to put the 5.0 on this. Here we go. Alright, let me know which one was your favorite. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.